It's like the Marken in Amsterdam, the Marken. You know the big market we went in Rotterdam. Marken. You forgot? We buy the Turkish. Gusto ka seafood. Pasabaw kaya ito, no? Oo. Marken. Yan, Marken. Naingon ani sa ano?